Okay, today I will be discussing on the topic that talks about the truth about content creation on YouTube. Yeah, my own is to tell you the truth. If you want to take it, you take it. If you want to take lies, you take lies that is flying all over the internet. Okay, number one is that YouTube is hard. Yes, sometimes people paint the picture that YouTube is a lot of money. Once you get there in 2 weeks, in 1 month, you have started packing all the whole money in the world. Sorry to say, Javier, sorry to disappoint you. It's not like that. It is hard. I mean, it is hard. You need to grind and grind and grind before you start seeing something reasonable. You spend money on your mobile data, you spend money on resources, on gadgets before you think about getting close to monetization. So it's a lot of work. So if you are coming here, prepare your mind that you are coming here to come and work. You're not just coming here to come and cash fun. If you want to be a content creator on YouTube, you gotta work, you have to push out some contents before YouTube will recognize you. So that is the point number one. YouTube content creation is hard. I'm telling you that for free, but it doesn't mean that it is not doable. All right. Another point is following your passion alone on YouTube may not make you money. Following your passion alone. I'm not saying that you shouldn't follow your passion, but following it alone may not make you money on YouTube. Okay, take for example, you are the type that like playing games, all right? And in your channel, you upload the games you play just like that for a few times. The question is when you are monetized, how many people are going to be playing that game with you every day? And what is the CPN and the RPN of gaming channels, all right, of games? 1,000 views on it. How much will advertisers pay? That's another thing you need to ask yourself. Or maybe you are the type that like cooking local food in your area. Maybe, okay, for example, now I'm from Nigeria and I'm an Igbo, and one of the soup we like here is insala soup. Maybe your channel is all about insala soup. The question is, apart from the Igbos, how many people want to watch about salad soup every time, every day? You see that because of that, your CPM will be low when you get monetized at the end, your RPM will be low, and you earn less. That is why you see people they stay here for 8 months, some stay here for 1 year before they get paid out. And when that continues to happen, they get frustrated and they leave the system. So if your passion is not a global thing, forget it. You may not make reasonable amount of money. Yes. So that is why you need to learn other things from other people that brings in the money when you get views and create on them. Don't just focus, it must be my passion. For example, now, as a person, I started making money from self-publishing. But before I started making a reasonable amount of money from self-publishing, I was writing about politics in our local politics on Amazon, our youth empowerment on Amazon. I was hardly making money, maybe $4, $5, $10 in a month, in a full month. It was that serious. Until somebody spoke to me and told me, listen, I know you like politics. I know you like youth empowerment, but that is not what brings in the money. Switch to tech. Even when I switched to tech, it didn't take up to 3 months. I started making $500 monthly. Sometimes and as I was growing, having more books, I was heading to $1,000 every month, $1,400, $1,500 every month. That is how life is. So if we know that thing that brings in the money and you can do it or you can learn and do it, go to it. Forget about your passion at that point in time. If what you're coming here is for money, I'm here for money. I will not lie to you. I want to make money from this platform. So think about that in that direction and know what you're going to do. Even if you're going to bring in your passion, mix it up with some things that people from any part of the world want to watch. People want to watch comedy. You do it. All right. So come on. So think about that. All right. It's not just all about your passion because if you focus on your passion and your passion is not what people demand globally or has high CPN, you may end up not making something reasonable from your YouTube channel when it gets monetized. Okay. Another thing you were not told, nobody told you about YouTube content creation is that you may be monetized fast, but hardly makes money. Yes, there is this thing that is trending now, they call it restream. Because in YouTube content creation, the main thing is not just the subscribers, it's about getting the watch time hours. That's the most difficult thing. Getting the watch time hours of 4,000 within the last 365 days. That's usually where the problem is. So there is this app they call Restream that people use it to get their watch time hours fast. But I know that with time, YouTube may review their terms and conditions and they will stop that. All right. So it's a kind of cutting corner to boost your watch hours. So now what I'm saying is this: you may use that to boost your watch hours and get 4,000 watch hours fast. But the question is, after that, and you are monetized, how much are you going to be making? That's where the problem is. All right, because you may get that, and then every day you see that you're having maybe 10 views, 100 views, 150 views, 900 views, almost 600 views. And in that case, much ads are not played on your video. And when much ads are not played on your video, you end up not making anything. There are people that are making 50 cents or even, what am I saying, 20 cents every day on this YouTube. And that's why it takes them time before they reach that minimum threshold in terms of dollars, $100 before they get paid. So you getting monetized fast may be an avenue for you to be kicked out of the system. You kick yourself out because in that situation whereby you open your dashboard every day, you are seeing maybe $5, sorry, 5 cents in a day, 10 cents in a day, 50 cents in a day. Because you rushed it, you will get frustrated along the line and leave the system. Because I don't see it's making sense where you have to stay here for a year and 6 months before you get your first payout after monetization. All right, so getting monetized fast doesn't mean that you make reasonable amount of money on the platform. All right, another truth is that you cannot dictate the video that will do very well. All right, that will go viral or mini viral. That's how the system is structured. You may spend a lot of resources, a lot of time trying to make a particular video look so great as a beginner. And at the end, you publish that video, and in the next 48 hours, that video is just giving you 15 views. It has happened to me. All right. So you don't have the power to dictate the video that will go viral or mini viral. So at the end, it may not even be the video that you didn't even put much effort on that will end up going viral or mini viral. So that's the truth. So don't start killing yourself over trying to make a video go viral or mini viral because I watched a lot of videos telling you how to go viral. All those things, most of them are for content. That's the truth. They want to use it to make their own money. So you cannot dictate. The system, the algorithm has how it works. So you may not have that power to dictate the video that will go viral or mini viral. Okay. Another point is that all videos don't perform equally. Yes, you have to take that at the back of your mind. So if you create a video and it gets maybe 500 views or 400 views, another one you create may get just 20 views. So it's part of the business. So you keep on going. So don't stay there trying to do this one, do that one, do that one, wasting your time because you want it to pick up like others. Sometimes it doesn't work that way. Since once you're just a beginner in the system, all right, because at that point you don't have a lot of followers, you don't have a lot of subscriptions, a lot of people that subscribe to your channel, you don't have a lot of subscribers, so you cannot push it. All right, engagement is what YouTube looks for most times. Okay, if people are engaging with the video, they leave comments, they like, they may try pushing it up to more people. So that's why all videos don't perform equally. Okay. Another point, another truth that you need to hear. I know many people will not like to hear about this truth, but I have to say it. If you don't have content, you may end up not making it on YouTube. Yes, today, today's YouTube content creation is about content. So if you don't have content, you may end up leaving the system. You may end up getting frustrated. Okay, so before you come into the system, make your mind that okay, I have content to create, what to tell the people, and as you're going, you are bringing in more content. All right. Okay, so or you can learn in the process. There are people that are too lazy. They don't want to learn to look at other channels and know what they're doing. They don't want to be content creators. You will end up getting frustrated from the system because at a point you stop having content ideas or want to create next. At that point, you'll be like, I don't think this YouTube is for me. So if you're coming here, make sure that you have content you want to dish out to the people. Or you make your mind that I will learn from others. I will look at what others are doing and create my own from there. That's how to succeed. Okay, so don't come here and say that, okay, once I have 10 videos in a year, I'm okay. It doesn't work like that. You will sleep here for 8 years, 10 years, nothing is happening on your channel. You're not getting monetized. So ensure that you do that, okay? Have that at the back of your mind. All right. If you're a beginner or someone that wants to start YouTube, all right. So have that at the back of your mind. Right now, I have a lot of contents that I'm yet to create. So, and that's why I'm still in the system after 2 years plus. Another point is there is a lot of money on YouTube. Yes, YouTube has money. YouTube as a company has money because companies globally are coming to them, bro. I want you to showcase my products. Okay, we bargain on the price. This is how much you're gonna pay me. So the company has a lot of money. But the question is, this money is being shared. So if you want to partake in that money, you have to be serious with what you're doing and be patient at the same time for you to amass a lot among the whole lot of the money. Okay. Then the last point is you need a lot of time. Okay, second to last, you need a lot of time to make it here. Years. I'm not talking about months. You need years. Maybe after 3 years of consistent work, time and consistent work. Okay? Time and consistent work. These two things. It's not just time, not just years, but you have to work within these years. You have to keep on dishing out content. All right. That that will attract global attention before you start seeing something reasonable on monthly basis. All right, so you need time, you need years with hard work before you can do what scale through. Okay, that's how the system is structured. If you're a beginner, the system may not favor you, but once the system says, okay, this guy is serious, he has been with us for a lot of time, then they will rank you. These guys have been here for 3 years, 4 years. Once you create, your content will be among the title major things, will be ranked high so that when people search, they will see you because they have believed that this guy has been a very strong brand on our platform. You think they don't know? So that's one thing you have to know. All right. Years with consistent work. And lastly, which I discovered recently, the truth and nothing but the truth. Payments or earnings on YouTube fluctuates. Earnings on YouTube fluctuates. When I started this channel, I started with my first month. I was monetized August last year, August 2024. And my first month, I made $71. The second month, I think I did about 80 something dollars. Okay. Then when it came to November, I did over $100. December, I did 96, something close to $100. Then this month, January 2025, a lot is happening right now. Though I'm beginning to see improvements for the few days now. As I'm talking to you, I may end up this month at $45. Today is what? 22nd. I may end up this month as $45. But I started asking some people that have been on the system for years. I started making inquiry. What's happening? Why is this like this? Why is my video? Why is everything dropping views? Earnings dropping? What is going on? They say that it's usually like that on January and beginning of the new year. So don't be afraid because much advertisers don't advertise this time. Okay, so earnings fluctuate. I think there is this Black American girl, Dodash, that was blowing everywhere last month. It was November, December, and then September, October, November, December. So recently I saw a caption of her video that she's going back to DoorDash business, kind of, supply, food supply. So because if you like, YouTube is now beginning to change, but it's normal. Things will still stabilize. But the point is, when you start seeing some changes that you feel is not positive, Don't be surprised. Okay. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Okay. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. If you find this guide helpful, just say something, or you want to ask some questions, drop that in the comment section. You can watch this video here. This is a playlist. Okay. It will teach you a lot of things about YouTube growth. So watch it to learn. Thank you and see you some other time.